Hey guys, Dino here from 3-Star Nomadic, and today we're going to have a look at a few hotels around the Patong area. First we're going to have a look at some 5-star, then we're going to look at a couple of 2-3-star. Up to you where you want to stay, but when you're in Patong, anything's great. So guys, here we are at Graceland in Phuket. Pretty cool hotel, stayed at that last year. Okay, so gonna have a bit of a squiz around. Dino, 3-Star Nomadic. Here we are guys in Gracelands. You got a restaurant, obviously the ocean's straight across the road. Got a cool restaurant in here. It's pretty early, so not much going on there. And you've got this awesome pool that we can go and have a look at now. We actually stayed in a unit over there. It was a 2-bedroom unit. Beautiful view out over there. A couple of these balconies are going off the hotels. That's where we stayed. And then we stayed at another couple of rooms as well in the newer area, which I'll show you. But this is the older bit, and it's still maintained well and looks really good. So beautiful little spot to come for a swim, or maybe a sneaky beer over there. So as we cruise on further, you get to this little bit of lawn, bit of space here where you could have a game of cricket on that one, or baseball. And there you go. Straight beyond that is where you'll go in and you'll have your breakfast. Might try and sneak my head in there. But first, we're going to head over to the new area and have a look. Morning, how are you?
Very good, thank you.
And very friendly staff. And anyway, we just go straight through here and we can get to the new area, which is really quite cool. So rooms over in here will probably cost you around the 225, 250 Australian, so just convert that from Australian dollars into baht or whatever you need. Some of these older ones still go out on these nice pools. So there you go. Pretty cool, eh? We had a couple of rooms over here in the newer area. I think they were around the $200 mark, a bit more probably. And you can just jump out and go straight in for a swim. There you go. And if you're wondering about the price, obviously booking.com, you can get anything on that, or whatever site you go through. But the front ones I think were around the $450 or something, but that was a 2-bedroom unit with a lounge room and everything, so I don't know what they're worth now, but there you go. There's a cool, at the end there, there's a cool little restaurant. You can go and have a feed. And obviously, we got another bar down here. When you're having a swim, you can go up and have a coldie. Here we are, coming through the tunnel. Now, if you're a bit of a gamer and you want to do something other than drink, you can go in there. Apparently there's some snooker tables. And this joint here is a really cool idea. You can go in here. It's locked up at the moment because I get up too early. And you can go bowling. 10-pin bowling. How cool's that? You got these beautiful carp here. Oh, I think they're carp. Anyway, that's a little fish. Morning. Beautiful little fish. So you got all along there. Yeah, look like carp. And there you go. Pretty cool. Is the magnificent buffet. So if you go in there, you can come in here and get your beautiful breakfast. Yum yum, bubble gum. And into the beautiful aircon. You've got your little coffee bar here. You got heaps of little rooms in that up there, and you have got a, I know there's a gym up there. And you can go get massage, saunas, or whatever you need there. We have some sort of a fish tank, but I don't think there's any fish in there. So here we go, down the middle of it. You got reception over here. If you want to go and get yourself a tour, it's a little tour shop, and it's got a little area there where I think it's a little daycare centre for the kids, although it doesn't look like there's many in there now, so I don't know if that's still going. It used to be a kids club. So we'll come down and we'll wander out to here. So this is the main entrances. Time to use. Got some more carp there, and this is where you cruise out into the wonderful world of Phuket Patong. So that's Graceland's, guys. Just leaving the main entrance area. Got a little car park out here. Now, what I'm going to do, I've got to go down here a bit to get out on the road, but I'm going to head down that way, which is inland, and I'm going to see if I can have a look at one or two little cheap hotels which are right next door. So let's say we're paying 250 Australian dollars for rooms in there, for general rooms. Out here I'm going to be looking at places for, I'd say, under 50 bucks. Some of them might even be 20, we'll see. And see what the difference is, remembering the rooms in here, they're quite nice. Just to do a personal tour.
You can photo.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Yeah, you photo.
No, that's all right. If I was to say, where are we here? Here.
Patong, yes.
If I was to go up to Kamala
this way.
yeah, but then I want to come back and go around here and then to Phuket City, and then back to Patong.
How many person?
Just one person.
Just one. You rent motorbike better.
Nah, I want to do it in a car.
Taxi or car.
Yeah.
We charge for hour. 1 hour 300 baht.
1 hour. So 1 hour 300.
Yeah.
300 baht. Okay.
We have programs sightseeing, city tour and sightseeing.
Yeah.
6 hour about 7 hour about 2,500 baht.
Okay, no worries.
Yeah.
All right, I just wanted to get a price on it today, and I'll have a think about it, and I can find you here if I want.
Yep.
Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
Welcome.
So for those prices there, we're looking at about, my other mate that I used before, I just got a price down the beach on here with him, and I can call him on WhatsApp. I'll WAS, and it's about 2,500. I just wanted to check with someone else that it was about the same price. So when I say 2,500, obviously they're talking in Thai baht there. All right, so you can convert that to whatever currency you want to. Anyway, we'll go and keep having a look and see if we can look at some of these little hotels. So just walking down this street a bit more. So this is right outside Graceland still, and we've got a nice little restaurant here, which I've eaten in. I think it was this one. Yeah, all those windows open up completely, so they must be folding or something. And it was really nice actually. It's a foreign, I don't know where they come from, but anyway, they're bloody good cooks. I'd imagine one of them that owns the joint might be a chef, because it was good tucker. You can get a tattoo here, and if you're wondering where we are, the beach is just down that way, 300 metres and you'll be at the beach. So this Graceland, just get to the back end of it now, and we'll just watch ourselves around the corner here. We got the old laundry service. I might try and sneak through here. And this is the Amar and place. So I was gonna try and have a look through here and see a little restaurant out the front. We'll go into reception. So basically this is in the same area, just down a street in an alley. And they've got these rooms here, which you wouldn't probably see much with a lot of them, but there's the ones that are right out the front, which at the top they might have a bit of a view. So I'm going to try and find the reception and see if they're happy to show me through a couple of these rooms. So here we are, guys, at reception. And this lovely lady's going to show me one of the rooms right at the front, which is a bigger one, and one of the cheaper ones. So you're looking at about $40 Australian, so 1,000 for the 1,000 Thai baht for the one at the front, and about $520 Australian. So we'll wander down and have a look. Here we are, room 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is nice. So this is 1,000 baht for one night, yeah? So you have a little fridge. Look at that. These are really good. And you got your little bathroom, little shower, hot water. Cool looking dude in there. And then you've got through here. These are really good value. Yeah. Is it okay if I go out? And of course, one of the best things about these rooms is you can go out here and you've got a bit of a getaway at least. So you got your alley down there, you got your street. Now you got the other hotel that we've looked at just over here for 250 Australian dollars a night, and this is what you will get for $40 a night, pretty much in the same spot. Beach just down there. Obviously it is what it is, guys, but if you're on that sort of 3-star nomadic budget, these are the little joints I try to track down. There's actually some upstairs and it looks really good. So there you go. So this one, guys, is, it doesn't matter, is 500 baht. So you got the hot water, still get a little fridge, TV, and got this out here. Pretty cool. They're nice big. Got an AC, and you got yourself just a little hangout. You can come out for those smokers that want to have a ciggy. So now this is your $20, basically 20 bucks Australian, and that's what you're gonna get. All right, there you go. That's awesome. Thank you very much for showing me that.
That room 600 baht.
600. Okay, and then you got one here, which obviously has a little kitchenette. Get the lights on. It's got a little kitchenette, a little bit more room. You got a cook. Oh, that's nice. And from looking just quickly at everything looks really clean. So that's really good in these places where they're a bit cheaper. Same setup, and if you go outside, you're gonna have your same little balcony where you can do there. Someone's coming to book in right now. So neat and tidy, nice and clean, guys. You can do that for 600 baht, 500 baht, and 1,000 baht. Now, in the peak season, does the price go up? Yeah. That's okay. So this is in low season, so this is what you'll get. Obviously there will be a rise in it in peak season, but you'll get that pretty much anywhere. So that gives you a little bit of an idea. Same area, what you get, guys, and so you can stay here for a long time if you're paying the same money as one hour. I'd like to thank you very much for showing me, and I'll be in touch if we need it. Thank you. Bye bye. So there you have it, guys. That is the cheaper hotel, same area, and I'm just going to pop up the road a little bit because I know a couple of Aussies up here that have a little joint too. I better ask them if I can film first, as I always do, especially then. I don't know, they might be on the run or something. You got to watch it in these lands. Don't know who's hiding. So there's the Amaran just over there, straight across the road. You got restaurants everywhere, guys, straight across the road, but you've got a little convenience store. You can buy booze, everything. You got some nice hotels just here. It's not a bad little street. It's not too busy, but it's got some nice stuff in it. You know, you can go in here. I'm not going to go in and check these prices, but obviously they'd be a fair bit more, so these ones will probably fall in the middle somewhere. And this is the old mate, Legends Sport Bar. Whether you come and stay or not, come and have a beer at Legends. So, thank you very much. So I'm just at Legends Bar now, and they haven't got the cleaners are in and whatnot, or as I was talking to there. So it's just a cool sports bar. Monitors everywhere. You can get all the sport that you want, and it's got this really cool outdoor area. You got a few rooms just around there. You got a few up there, and you got one in there. Now, I actually had a look in this one the other day, and it was really nice. So for the money, so there's no one in there. Not. I can't get in at the moment, but as you can see, big bed, aircon, TV with I think cable and that. You got couches, you got a big fridge, everything neat and tidy. You got a fan, and it's just a really cool vibe here, guys. It's even got cool little fish. So there you go, Legends Sports Bar. Now you're going to be looking for that room. You're going to be looking at about 1,000. You know, you might get it for 800, depends. Okay, so that is what you're going to be looking at. But yeah, this one's owned by 2 or 3 Aussies. So if you ever got any dramas or you need to know anything, there's always a good place to stay at joints like this where you got someone Westerners to help you out. So and place looks really clean, guys, so I would actually highly suggest this one here. Even looking in that window there, the window was open, but it had really good mozzie nets on it. These are little things that you don't get in a lot of the other places where Legends Sports Bar, they'll have it covered. So anyway, guys, Dino 3-star nomadic, showing you a bit of a tour on the more expensive sort of stuff in hotels and a few of the cheaper ones. I think if I had my choice, given all up, obviously if you got the money you'd stay at the other one. Other than that, I'd be looking here at old Legend Sports Bar. Just the whole setup's really cool. Alright, so Dino 3-star nomadic, we'll catch you down the track. Oh, just sitting down here in Graceland, having a bit of a chill in the aircon. Oh yeah.